Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It is I, Kubbielove Inyang, but if you can't pronounce that, please call me Kubi. Can y'all look at my hair today? This is giving me 1920s Josephine Baker vibes. Like, all I need is this and some jazz music playing in the background. Today's video, we are celebrating 2,000 subscribers. I'm so happy.
I'm so happy. Like, I'm mad oh.
Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and supporting me this entire time. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much for actually clicking that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And also, we are about to hit my first 1 million views on TikTok. Honestly, like I wasn't expecting this. Like, never in a million years would I dream about this. I just want to say thank you guys so much. Today's look is an easy look. Since we're celebrating, we're gonna go ahead and use some glitter. I'm gonna hop on this new trend that I've been seeing all over Instagram and TikTok, and it's the glitter eyeliner. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this is the second time I'm filming this video because yesterday my hair wasn't it, because I actually just learned how to do finger waves. So yesterday my hair was terrible, like, so I had to redo everything, and I actually don't mind because, you know, you have to put in the work to get like good results. I already have my eyebrows done, so if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, go ahead and check out this video right here, right after watching this video. So you already know what is coming next. Let's go ahead and transition, finish one eye, and I will be right back. Y'all, so this is the eye look that we are working with today. I'm gonna use this as an eyeshadow base, but the thing is, as you can see from this side, I pulled it up to my brow bone, and I just want to do this to create more depth in my eye, because the eyeshadow I'm using, as you can see, it's literally like the same color as my skin tone. So I'm just gonna use the Colourpop matte full coverage no filter concealer, and this is in the shade light 10. So I'm going to take my concealer brush and try and blend out the area close to my eyebrows. Next, I'm taking this e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just going to start by blending out the outer corners. And I'm going to do the same for the inner corner. Now I'm just going to pat the concealer. And as I'm doing this, it is drying, and we want it to be dry. I'm sorry y'all if I sound congested right now. Like, right after I filmed the intro, like, I started having like allergies. I had to turn off my candle. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know why I started sneezing all of a sudden, but that happened. Y'all, I'm so happy. I've been so happy for the past 3 days. I woke up yesterday and I saw that Desi Perkins commented on my TikTok video, and like, I feel like everything in me just went out. Like, I was my mind was just blown. I was like, Desi Perkins has seen my face. She has watched a video of me. That's crazy. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy because I have so many goals for this year, and I'm slowly starting to achieve them. So I'm gonna go into my Warrior by Juvia's Place palette. I'm using this color that has hit the pan. As you can see, this is my favorite eyeshadow shade because it literally matches my skin. I really should start trying out new makeup because every single video is this palette that people are seeing, but I do plan on splurging this weekend just to, you know, like, as a form of self-care. I haven't bought like new makeup in a while. Like, I'm that cheap makeup artist because, like, yo, when I show you what I have, my makeup collection, you'll be shocked because the normal person has more makeup than me. And I'm being serious, like, no cap. So I'm just putting this all over my eyes with this packer brush. This is from Morphe. This is the M153 brush. I love this brush so much, especially when I need to pack a lot of foundation, a lot of eyeshadow onto my eyelid. Next, I'm just blending out. Now that that is all blended out, I'm going in with my She Makeup matte eyeliner. I said before that I got this from a beauty supply store, and I actually don't know where I got it from because I've had it for a long time. Like, I really don't know where I got it from. Just gonna try my best to draw this eyeliner, guys. Send help. I always draw the wings second and then I connect everything. I just want to mention that I'm working with the same brand that I used in my last video. The glitter I'm using today is Kim, and the color is actually Plum. And this is a fine glitter. I'm going to be mixing it with a black chunky glitter called Joy. Before applying my glitter, I'm going to go ahead and put my eyelash glue right on top of my eyeliner. Once this is almost clear, I will start applying my glitter. And this is really it, y'all. I'm gonna go off camera, put on my lashes, and I'll be right back to finish my full face makeup. Okay guys, so lashes are on. I am wearing the iEnvy 3D collection. The lashes are in the style KPEI 34. Next, we're gonna go on and prime. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Multi-Use Foundation Stick, and this is in the shade 360 Mocha, and it is my exact shade. To conceal, I'm going in with the Maybelline FitMe foundation, and this is in the shade 335. Right on top of the concealer, I'm going in with the Colourpop Matte Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Light 10. To blend everything out, I'm using my rose water to make the blend seamless. Next, I'm taking my Colourpop Kabuki brush. I used this yesterday, hence the foundation on it, but I'm super excited to use it again because this is a really, really good brush. This is the finished look. I am so happy with how everything turned out. This is my 2K look. I just topped up my lipstick with some lip gloss. It took this look to a whole new level. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much once again for 2,000 subscribers. I can't wait for the day I'll be celebrating 10k subscribers. I know it's coming. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share this video if you want to, and also please turn on the post notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I hope to see you next time. If you want to see the rest of the looks for my 30-day challenge, go ahead and follow me on Instagram so that you can also see all the pictures that I'm taking during this period. And also you can follow me on TikTok if you want to. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.